Airways to Nairobi.
We are finally boarding. I loved Kampala, such a fun city, and it's kind of underrated. If you have the chance to go to Kampala, Uganda, definitely go. So much fun.
All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Yeah, all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
Christina, Rachael. Yay! The flight is quick. It's only 1 hour and 17 minutes between Entebbe and Nairobi. Bye, Uganda. I'm gonna miss you.
You're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. You can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it go. Listen to the midnight radio.
This is the health check. That little TV on top is checking for excessive body heat, and I had to show my yellow fever card. I guess excessive body heat is a sign of illness.
She'll be pulling away from the fire. She go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.
We finally reached our Airbnb in Westlands. Westlands is a really rich area in Nairobi. It's close to everything, so like many malls, bars, restaurants, markets. This is the spot. I really liked how big this apartment was. The living was really nice and spacious. It was well decorated. Now I'm heading to the balcony. Lots of construction outside and along the road. Here's the kitchen, very big, had appliances and big cabinets. So let's talk about price, right? So it was essentially, with all bills included, it was $67 a night. Divided into three means that me, Christina, and Rachael paid $22.33 each for 3 nights. So I thought that was actually pretty wonderful. So here's Rachel's bedroom, small but cozy. This bathroom situation didn't really make sense to me because you can't, like, who made this? It hits the sink. We're back in the kitchen, very spacious, very big. Now we are walking to my bedroom. I actually like my bedroom. It was really big. See, very big, very spacious. It came with a kid's crib, which I thought was really cute. And then also has this very big dresser. One thing I'd say is like all the apartments in Nairobi have this dresser. The bathroom is very big, very spacious. Then now we're in Christina's room. Same setup. It's a little bit smaller than mine, but bigger than Rachael's. This is exclusive behind the scenes footage. I did an interview with Esther and Monica, two sisters who own a rental property business in Nairobi. The link to the video will be in the description box below, and I'll put it on the screen on top. Such a cool room. I'm in a studio in Nairobi, Kenya. Here is Bukachi.
That was close.
That
was close.
Bukachi.
Sounds like a Mexican.
I blended it with a Kenyan name. So do you do this full time?
Yeah, I do this full time. I'm mainly into sound engineering. Now we're getting into video, as you can see.
Yeah, there's my camera right there.
Elvis is doing the video.
Elvis here is
Elvis is doing this
behind
camera
the
too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see out.
We call it For the Culture.
For the culture.
Yeah. You should check out our Instagram, For the Culture WR.
Oh.
Yeah. Plug in.
Yes.
Yeah, and we're launching our website on March 31st. It's mainly an online radio. We're a whole collective of podcasters and musical curators. So check us out.
That's amazing. His studio is bomb, by the way. Hello, Elvis. There's Elvis.
Hi.
Look at this background, yo.
There's friends with him. It's called Kenya If that already sounds.
And he got these chairs made. They're freaking fabulous, very comfortable. This interview is for Steve's podcast, The African Investor. Steve is bomb.
Hi guys, Steve Odhiambo here.
He's a successful entrepreneur and he has workshops across Europe teaching the diaspora how to invest back home. And through Steve, I met another amazing person.
Newest chick on the blog. Her name is Sharon Machira. Yes.
I've been following her YouTube channel, and now, to see her become a BBC Africa journalist is so cool. We are heading to the Giraffe Center. We have arrived at the Giraffe Center. I was super excited. The Giraffe Center was 1,000 shillings to get in, which is $10 US. This is the price for non-residents. The weird thing about it was that you could not pay cash. They wanted you to either pay with M-Pesa, which is their mobile money, or by credit card. And they accepted every credit card.
Oh, you better feed her.
And sure when you're standing there, you're feeding the chicken.
Oh,
Don't just be standing there.
That's so funny.
I got a good angle. Stand right there.
This way, Tom, this way.
I got a good angle.
How big her
Eyelash.
long or keeps the sun out of the eyes. Just wait.
Girl, she eating all the food.
Come and take pictures.
Oh my God. Hey, girl.
Oh, this was a great stop. I'm glad we came here.
Okay.
Me too.
Tongue is so weird.
I know.
Can I have some much inside?
He was I am with Yasser. Nice to see you again. We met yesterday completely randomly at an Airbnb, and now we meet again at the Giraffe Center.
Randomly again.
Yes.
It's so nice.
It is so nice.
Like, I don't know, when you have a connection with people, you just meet them over and over again.
I know.
We should just be friends.
No, we are gonna be friends.
Okay, totally.
And the reason I really like her is also because she's that sounded really weird. The reason we have so much fun together, she's the diaspora from Congo, but grew up here.
Yeah, I grew up in Kenya, moved to Canada.
Moved to Canada,
I've
and
been everywhere.
now she's starting a little business here.
Yes, I am. I mean, I've been here for 2 days, and I mean, it's just like, this is how amazing it is, right?
Yes.
You come and you realize how amazing it is, and you really want to be a part of it. So like, I can't wait.
Africa Rising.
Exactly.
Yes,
We're rising. We're
yes,
part of it. you know?
yes.
I love that.
Yes. And she also has a YouTube channel, which I'm going to link in the description below.
Yeah. Make sure you check it out.
Yes.
All the hair tutorials.
Yes.
Oh my god, self-promotion.
I've been watching them last night. I really was.
Oh, this is so nice. Like, I was watching your videos, so I was like, I know this girl. Like, I saw, like, I've seen you like on YouTube before, even before we met, and yesterday when we
That's
met,
so
I was like,
crazy.
I know this girl. I know her. And it's just, I do know her.
Oh.
It's so amazing. It's so nice.
I don't know how to feel about it. I hope that time will show. There's something in the way that you looked upon me. It's telling me I should go. Yeah, I wish I could get an answer, 'cause I don't even know my name right now. I don't know how to feel about this. It all just moves so slow. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
It depends on the reasons that have caused them to be left orphans. It also depends on their age.
Hey, it's Iveoma! That's your YouTube intro!
Hello, I am in Nairobi, Kenya, and I am with
Marianne.
Jackie!
Amanda. I'm so excited. I finally get to meet Jackie in person. I've been talking to Jackie for like months.
Yeah.
So I met Jackie for a picnic at this really cool co-working space. It's owned by 2 Kenyan sisters, and I think you pronounce it Ikigai.
I'm over you.
Maasai market, I headed to the airport. My trip is done. I'm so sad. I loved it. I loved Nairobi. I loved Kampala. I had a really, really great time in both cities, and I'm glad that I got to see another side of Africa.
I'm about to lose my mind, just trying to get famous.